Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the Nokia 7.2. We're testing the video recording capabilities of this phone. We have put it to 4K video resolution, and follow me around. Let's see how the phone does in terms of video stabilization. So walking. Now let's run for a little while. And stop right here. This is what you get in terms of video stabilization. Now let's also move the phone up and down to see how it adjusts to different lighting conditions. Up and down, it should be able to gradually adjust to those changing lighting conditions. I'll step out of the frame here real quick so you can see if the phone can focus on my hand. Continuous autofocusing functionality, see if it can do it. And then switch to the background. Let's try this once again. Here's my hand. Let's see if it can lock the focus. Then to the background one more time, my hand, the background, and that's it guys, a quick test of the video camera on the Nokia 7.2. Thanks for watching.